Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum grade 6 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear student, this is your science online class. Today we are going to start our first unit, which is science skills. Now we are going to start next topic, that is taking measurements. In everyday life and when carrying out scientific experiments, you use your senses to make observations. You can smell gases given off, see color change, and hear freezes and pops. However, you cannot use your senses for everything and you cannot trust them to give the correct answers. Fortunately, there are many occasions such as weighing yourself at home or doing experiments in class, when you do not have to depend on your senses to make observations. You can use measuring instrument instead. So, do not depend entirely on your senses. Use a measuring instruments whenever you can. The photographs below show some measuring instruments, what they measure and the units used. These are the following measuring instruments. Length. The length of an object can be measured with a ruler or a tape measure. Millimeters, centimeters, meters and kilometers are the units of length. Length is defined as a straight line distance between 2 points along an object. The SI unit of length is the meter. Volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. The volume of a regular object such as cube can be found by multiplying its length by its width by its height. However, to find the volume of an irregular object, you must use a measuring cylinder. In science, we use cubic centimeter as the unit of volume. Millimeter, centiliters and liters are other units of volume. Volume is a quantity of three-dimensional space enclosed by a closed surface. The units of volume are liters, milliliter, cubic meters, cubic centimeter. Volume can be found by multiplying its length by its width by its height. Through this picture, we come to know that measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of any liquid, while the formula used to measure the volume of a cube-shaped object is length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Mass. Mass is the amount of matter in something. The mass of something can be found by using weighing scale or a balance. Grams and kilograms are the units of mass. The mass of an object is a measure of the amount of matter in it. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Large masses are measured in ton, while small masses are measured in gram or milligram. For example, each grain of rice has mass of 0.0 milligram each, while an apple has a mass of about 40 gram. We use a balance to measure a mass, like beam balance, electronic balance, weighing scale. Temperature. Temperature means how hot something is. The temperature of something can be found by using a thermometer. Degrees Celsius are the unit of temperature. On the Celsius scale, the numbers are chosen so that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. The lowest possible temperature is called absolute zero. For some scientific work, it is convenient to use a temperature scale starting at absolute zero. This scale is called the Kelvin scale and has degrees which are the same size are chosen on the Celsius scale. Thus, 273 Kelvin equals 0 degrees Celsius and 373 Kelvin equals 100 degrees Celsius. The Fahrenheit scale has much smaller degrees than the Kelvin and Celsius scales. On this scale, water freezes at 32 Fahrenheit and boils at 212 Fahrenheit. In this passage, we read about temperature. What is temperature? The temperature of a substance tells us how hot or cold the substance is. Our sense of touch can tell us if an object is hot or cold. Temperature can be measured in Kelvin, Fahrenheit, or degrees Celsius. We usually use degrees Celsius while measuring temperature of different things in daily life. For example, we know water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. What is absolute zero? Absolute zero temperature at which a thermodynamic system has the lowest energy. Time. Time can be measured with a stop clock or stopwatch. Seconds and minutes are the unit of time, commonly used in science. Time is a measurement that tells the duration of any event or how long does it take. The unit of measurements of time is hours, minutes, seconds. Through this picture, we use stopwatch to measure the time duration of any task, and stop clock is used to watch the time. Test yourself. Why do scientists use measuring instruments? Scientists use measuring instruments to get more and accurate information. Which units are used to measure? Volume, milliliter, liter, centimeter cube. Length, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Mass, gram, kilogram. Time, seconds, minutes, hours. Temperature, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. Which measuring instrument would you see to measure? The mass of a gram of flour, we use electronic balance. The length of a piece of cloth, we use measuring tape. The volume of a stone, we use measuring cylinders. The temperature of a cup of tea, we use thermometer. The time taken to run a race, we use stopwatch. Make a list of 4 measuring instruments in your home. Answer: clock, measuring tape, thermometer, weighing scale. Now your today's diary is learn, test yourself on page 7.